Hi dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you how to easily create dual apps on your Android phone. Actually dual apps are very important because through this app we can use multiple accounts in different apps. For example, we can use two different Facebook accounts, two different WhatsApp accounts, two TikTok accounts and two emo. And in this phone I don't have any emo TikTok, so I have Facebook, Insta and WhatsApp. So this is my dual apps of WhatsApp, Facebook and Insta. And this video will be great video for you if you learn how to make dual apps on your Android phone. In this video I will show you two easiest ways to create dual apps. The first way is to use your system setting. Then go to the setting without any third-party application. The second way is to use a third-party applications to create dual apps. If the first method doesn't work for you, so you can try the second method. I hope both methods work for you. Before we begin, I will ask you to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Okay, let's begin with the first method. We create dual apps on your Android phone using your setting. So we are in setting. So get into the first method. First go to setting option and then scroll it on your phone and you see that this is the apps and permission. In other phones you can see the apps and applications. So if you can't find here, you can go to up and see that search settings. So this you can write it on clone. You can see that this is app clone, and please you have to click on the app clone and you can see that this is a dual apps and I have only WhatsApp, Facebook and Insta. So I make dual accounts of this and tap on it and you can see this is my three applications. Which app supports dual apps? This is for creating WhatsApp dual apps, just tap on it. And if you create only Facebook dual app, you have click on the Facebook account option this. And if you make Insta and click on the Facebook account and click on the Netflix and UC browser and TikTok if you have these applications. So this is the first process you can create dual apps. So I'm using at my phone, maybe that's why another phone you won't find dual apps option, that's why you need to use the second process. I will show you the second process and I will explain second process through Samsung phone. So let's go on my Samsung phone. So guys, this is my Samsung phone and I will go to the Play Store in here. So let's go to the Play Store and then I will search for parallel space in search apps. So write parallel space. So click on parallel space and this is the parallel space and this shows that many lots of apps. So you can see that this is parallel space, parallel space, parallel space lite, parallel space pro. So I will suggest you that please install this parallel space. So after installing it, so you have to wait for a few seconds and then open it after installing and click on agree and continue option. Click on it and then use application and click here to allow the access. Then wait few seconds and you will see this and click on the while using this app. You have to make the allow option and click on it click on it, wait for a few seconds. And then click on the start option, and you will see some applications already recommended. This is Messenger, YouTube and others. And if you want to add more applications to this parallel space, just click here on the add app option, click on it. And if you want to add more applications to this parallel space, simply click on one of them. So I click on my this app, and then simply click on the add to parallel space option, and you can see that this made the dual app. And so this is the second method. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you encounter any issues, please let me know and I will do my best to assist you.